Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a bit different because I'm finally launching She Rescued It. So in this series, I'll be showing you guys how I make over, how I organize some spaces in my home, and I'll also be throwing in some sprinkles of other people's homes. I'm all about being budget friendly, so I will try my best to be as budget friendly as I can, whether that's shopping secondhand or whether that's creating the items my own self and doing most of the work. So that's the goal for this series, is to see if I can do this on a budget. So speaking of budget, this series will be in 3 phases or 3 parts. So the first part, or phase 1, will be me showing you a tour of the space, as I will be doing today. The second part will be me selecting a budget, going through the different items that will be going into the space, and then shopping for them, whether that's online or in the physical store. And then the third will be the big reveal. It makes more sense for me to do it in phases than to do it at once, because my goal is to show you guys how you can make over a room on a budget. So with that said, let's get right into the video. All right, so as you can see, I am standing in front of a closet. So this closet is actually in my office. I used to share the master closet with my boyfriend, but I wanted a separate space, so I decided to bring my closet into this one. And unfortunately, it's extremely small, at least compared to the master. But that's fine, because I don't have a lot of clothes. I've been able to manage it and I'm doing pretty well. Like, I still have a lot of space in there for new stuff. So let's get into it. So this is pretty much the entrance to my closet, as you can see. And once you walk in, you will see all of my dresses. I probably have about 20 dresses, which is not much, but it works. I'm someone who doesn't really just shop just to shop. I shop when there's an event, and before I actually buy the item, I must go through my collection and see what I'm willing to let go. So as I preach that, I always follow that rule, and it has really worked with the amount of stuff that I have in my closet right now, since it is a small closet. So as you walk even further into the closet, you will see all of my tops. So these are all of my tops, and they are color coordinated. And I have a few, I have a lot of whites, mixtures, patterns, and then I have a lot of blacks in the back. I mean, I have some blues in there. I'm trying to, step up my color game, because when it comes to my dresses, I kind of like the various colors and patterns. But when it comes to like my everyday wear, I'm pretty neutral, monochromatic. So I'm trying to step that up though. So back here is my shoe organizer. This is basically where all of my shoes sit. I do have some boots up there because I don't wear boots all the time, so I put them up there. But these are where my heels, my mules, my flats sit. And for the most part, this has been working for me. It does take up an entire closet rod, so I can't hang things on that closet rod or clothes rod, but it works for now because I don't have a lot of clothes. So it's okay. I will be changing the entire layout of this space, so it will look completely different. All right, so I brought you a little closer. This works well for me. I did feature this in one of my videos, and it's the one that I use because it had the most slots for the amount of shoes that I had. So over here is where I have all of my coats, my jackets, my sweaters. They hardly ever get used because it is super hot in Houston and super humid, but I still have a few because you never know when you need them. And down here is where I have all of my jeans, my pants, I have my workout tops, and I have my skirts here. The layout of this will change because it really doesn't make any sense. My goal, honestly, is to fold all of my workout items so that, because they really don't need to be hung. I don't have enough to be hung, and I will be placing them in bins. I will probably also be placing my jeans in bins. So, oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. So then on the top, I have 2 shelves on the left and right side of me, and the one up here is higher, and that one holds all of my office items that I don't use. Like extra organizing products that I don't use, that I featured in my videos that I don't use. And then on the other side, I have bins that are full of items like my boots, like I mentioned before, bag inserts, travel items, and scarves. They sit up here. These are more easily accessible than the items on that shelf because that shelf is pretty high. This is my closet. It's really not that special. It's a pretty standard closet. It has worked for me, but I'm finally ready to design it, to transform it, and make it a more organized and more designed closet. So I'm excited. And that's it, guys. That is my closet. My closet is a pretty standard builder grade closet where it has more clothes rods than it does shelves. But, you know, I've made it work for now, and I'm finally ready to just change it because, you know, I need a space that reflects who I am. So let me know in the comment section below if you are working with a small closet and if you're looking to get it reorganized, redesigned, made over, whichever. Let me know in the comment section below. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.